right, this is VTV Investigative Reports, where we ask the questions that others are afraid to ask. When we ask a question, no comment is not an option. On today's VTV Investigative Reports, we are going to center on this secret document, which I acquired from an anonymous, unnamed source. And you can tell by the condition of this document that my informant went to great lengths to acquire this secret document. And I'm about to read to you an excerpt that I found on this document provided by the anonymous source. Brace yourself. Okay, it says right here on this document, remember, it is illegal to put any type of hazardous waste in the trash. And it goes on to cite hazardous waste materials such as motor oil, mercury, paint-related materials, pesticides, pool chemicals, thermometers, cell phones, gasoline. All of these things, it is illegal, according to this document, to throw into the trash. And as we look through this document even closer, we find right here, it says, the City Environmental Services Office. And that is why we are here. After an exhaustive search, we found the city's Environmental Services Office, and we are going in. We are going in to confront them with this secret document and get to the bottom of this. And do we have a surprise in store for you? All right, Mary and Luke, ready? Let's go. We're going in. Okay. All right, this appears to be some sort of a lobby here. There's chairs here and there's a plant. Okay, we're going inside. Okay, we found somebody. All right, let's go. Sir, VTV Investigative Reports, do you have any comments?
Do I have any comments? I'd like to know what you're doing here.
And no comment is not an option.
I don't have no comment.
Okay, now, here's a question I have for you, and you have to answer this. By the Freedom of Information Act and the Brown Act, I hereby request that I see a trash can. Could I please see a trash can? You can't deny me. You have to. Okay, let's set this. Marion, come over here. Okay, the backpack. Okay, go ahead. Help me get it out. All right. Okay, if you're adverse to controversy, you do, if things don't bother you, it's going to get a little wild here. You might want to tune out. Okay, I have the items right here that are declared in this secret document to not be allowed to go in the trash. And I am about to commit what is known as a fair act of civil disobedience. I am about to throw these materials into the trash. This is the VTV Investigative Report of exclusive first. Okay, let's go, Marion. Aerosol can. It cannot go in the trash. It's going in. Okay, compact fluorescent bulbs. This secret document says you can't throw it in the trash. I'm throwing it in the trash. Okay, cell phones. I'm throwing it in the trash. And get this, flashlight batteries. Okay, flashlight batteries. I'm throwing in the trash. And Marion, would you hold this? Okay, VTV viewers, I am now submitting myself for arrest for violating this unfair and absurd law. Go ahead, sir. You can arrest me. I'm a VTV reporter. Go ahead. You're ready to arrest me.
You know, we're not here to arrest you. We're not interested in arresting you, okay? Just relax. Look, you know, we're here to help you recycle these things. We're not interested in arresting you, okay? What we do is we help people recycle. And we have a specialist here, Karen Sedlacek, who would be happy to help you do that.
Okay, Karen Sedlacek.
All these items.
Okay, so Karen Sedlacek, we're going to go in and talk to Karen Sedlacek on VTV Investigative Reports. So, sir, this is a VTV press pass, which means I have unrequited access to all areas of this. So, Marion, Luke, let's go. Let's go. Keep going this way. All right. Okay, we're checking each of the name tags here. We're in the Environmental Services Office. I do not see the name Karen Sedlacek. But here on VTV Investigative Reports, we will find her. Oh, believe me, we will find. Here we go. Okay, Mary and Luke, we found Karen Sedlacek's office right up here. Okay, everybody ready? Okay, VTV Investigative Reports is going in. We're going in. Excuse me, Karen. I understand that you're the manager of the Household Hazardous Waste Program, and I have a few questions for you. I'm a VTV investigative reporter.
Well, hi, nice to meet you.
Okay, I have a question to ask you, and no comment is not an option, all right? Is it in fact illegal to throw hazardous materials into the trash can? Is that in fact illegal?
Well, yes, it is, Ray.
I gotcha! Gotcha! All right. This is the way investigative reports are supposed to work. We found the answers. We uncovered the truth. We used our secret informant and documents to get the information we need. And now we're moving in, all right? Karen, now that we've established that, in fact, it is illegal to throw these types of materials in the trash, I'd like to answer you to answer a question for me. And no comment is not an option, all right? Why on earth would the city make such an absurd regulation that people can't throw these kind of hazardous materials in the trash? Gotcha!
Well, it's not just the city of Ventura, Ray. It's a statewide law that you don't dispose of hazardous waste in your trash can. So the city just is one of all of the cities within the state that make sure that we have a way to dispose of this stuff properly for our residents.
Oh, so the city didn't pass the law, the state did. All right, well, don't you agree that's a crazy law? Why would the state pass a crazy law like that? It doesn't make any sense. Gotcha.
Well, it does make sense if you think of it in terms of it protects the environment so that any hazardous materials that go to a landfill could maybe pollute the water table. Also, the workers who work and sort through these things, they could have exposure to incompatible materials that could cause some kind of adverse effect on them. And then, a lot of these things are recyclable. So we want to make sure that each and every one of the materials are, meet their end means in the appropriate way.
Okay, all right. Let me think here. Okay, all right. So you have I understand why I can't go in the trash, all right? Okay, well, why do you make all of us poor residents have to accumulate all these materials? We can't throw it in the trash, and we got to keep it all, piling up in our houses and our garages because we can't throw it in the trash anymore. Isn't that a little ridiculous? Gotcha!
Well, not really, because here in the city of Ventura, we offer the opportunity for people to dispose of their hazardous waste almost every month of the year, January through November, on the third Saturday of the month. They have an opportunity to make an appointment here with the city to come by, and basically we take their hazardous waste from them and we dispose of it properly.
Well, that must be an outrageous amount of money that you charge poor residents. You don't allow them to throw it in the trash can. Then you need to charge them some exorbitant amount to take it to your hazardous waste collection vans. What do you have to say about that?
Well, to tell you the truth, they don't pay anything. It's a free service that we...
Okay. This document, okay? This document right here, all right? Do you deny that this document from my secret informant came from the Environmental Services Office? Take a close look. Do you deny it? And no comment is not an option.
Well, it looks like something that we put out, but are you talking about one of these, Ray? That's what this looks like. It's something that we have... We post these all over the city. They're free to the public, so it helps people understand exactly. It gives the dates and times and the kinds of products they can bring. It's not a secret document at all.
You mean you give all these out free? That's just... All right, where's your trash can? I bet you were throwing batteries in your trash can. Let me look here. Don't you even have a trash can in here? You probably throw batteries in your trash can. I must find...
battery collection tube here, and we post these throughout the city so that people have a place at City Hall. They can go to City Hall and deposit batteries, as well as other places throughout the city.
Okay, let me think here. Okay, you have these all over in the city offices so all the employees can recycle their batteries. All right. Isn't this a little elitist of the city of Ventura? They provide this for their own city offices, but yet, all the poor businesses in town don't get this kind of service. That smacks a little bit of elitism here. Gotcha, right? Gotcha.
Well, not really, because what we try to do is if someone would call the city, we'd be glad to help them with setting up their own battery recycling program for their own employees. So they can call 652-4525 and get more information about that, or they can go on our webpage at venturasenvironment.com, and there's plenty of information on the webpage for them to.
Okay. Can we please cut the camera? All right. So please, I'm begging of you. I'm going to ask you a question. All you have to do is just say, yes, that's accurate, okay? You just say, yes, that's accurate, right? Action. All right, okay. We're going to break this case wide open. We have discovered the truth here, okay? Karen, is it in fact true that the Environmental Services Office position is that when it comes to household hazardous waste, city residents, I'm sorry, they're completely on their own? Isn't that an accurate statement?
Well, no, it isn't, Ray. It's not accurate at all.
All right. That's the end of the VT investigative reports. Join us next week as we welcome the return of Caveman Grunk as he travels through time and dances for you and teaches you more about composting. All right. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome.
All right, cut.